Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a playlist in BandLab. BandLab is a free cloud-based music platform that lets you create, share and listen to music. Playlists are a great way to collect your favorite BandLab tracks in one place, organize songs by genre, mode or project, and share a set of tracks with friends or followers. First, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down bandlab.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of a BandLab, what you can do is in the top right corner, we can find this small profile icon. Click onto this icon here and go to this playlist. And under this playlist, you can select to this plus new icon over here. Click onto this plus new icon here and you can type down your playlist name as well. You can select to this description if you have any of the playlist genres, and you can select also the type for the playlist. You can select to this public or the private as well. And after you're done, you can select to the save, and that is it. This is how you can create a playlist on BandLab. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.